There's a good reason to work with 3D polygon objects or 3D polyobjects. One reason is that they can use multi-sided polygons. So a polygon can have 4 or more sides. For several modeling techniques, using 4-sided polygons will allow you to create very smooth and clean models. Another advantage to editable polyobjects is a feature new in 3ds Max 2011. Caddies are a visual interface for many of the editable poly editing options. This allows you to preview your edit before you commit to it using a heads-up style visual interface. If you're going to edit using the editable mesh object, you don't have the ability to preview your edits before you commit to them, causing you to have to undo each time you need to fix an edit. The Caddies interface, working with the editable poly, allows you to preview the changes that are going to take place on an object. And you can either accept it and dismiss the caddy or continue editing. It makes for a very nice workflow. You also have very good control over polygon density. Essentially, you're creating each polygon independently. This makes it a lot easier to create low polygon models with the editing tools available to you. The only major issue, and I don't know if I would even call this a major issue, with the editable poly geometry, is that it gets converted to triangular mesh at render time. As a matter of fact, all geometry gets converted to triangular mesh at render time. So there's a small amount of overhead associated with using the editable poly object. However, it's probably not something you'll need to worry about when you're using 3ds Max.